And here's our last section of Chapter 22, Ocean Life. Our objectives for 22.4 are explain the importance of phytoplankton to ocean life, identify important marine animals, and describe how certain bacteria living near deep-sea vents produce food. Our vocabulary: phytoplankton, diatoms, zooplankton, coral, nekton. I'm going to touch on all of these, but you definitely want to get those definitions in before we start the notes. Key idea for this section: marine organisms are an important part of the ocean and provide clues to the ocean's history. While most marine life needs many of the same nutrients that land plants and animals do, some have adapted to use other types of resources. Now, phytoplankton are microscopic sea plants that form the base of the oceanic food chain. Now, diatoms are the most abundant type of phytoplankton. Here's a picture of them. Really cool looking under the microscope. Now, diatoms are one-celled plants with a delicate thin shell made of silica. Now, zooplankton eat phytoplankton, and zooplankton are then eaten by many other marine animals. Radiolarians and small crustaceans such as Daphnia or krill are examples of different types of zooplankton. Now, other zooplankton are the larvae or immature forms of larger animals such as squid, crab, or jellyfish. Now, tiny sea animals that live in colonies fastened to rock sea floors are called coral or animal skeleton remains. Now, they live in warm water between 18 and 21 degrees Celsius and are no deeper than about 90 meters, which is about as far as sunlight can reach in the ocean. Now, nekton are free swimming. So this is a diagram of all the free swimming nekton, not all, but number of free swimming nekton. So you have everything from an anglerfish to eels, sharks, skates, lobsters, all the types of fish, tuna, dolphin, crabs, sea urchins. All of those are in the group of nekton. Ocean floor vents occur in two forms. One, they could be a crack in the sea floor that releases gentle drifts of hot water, usually about 16 degrees Celsius. And there are also black smokers that spew out hot water 380 degrees Celsius from volcanic-like chimneys. Here's a picture of what we call a black smoker. Now, chemosynthesis is a process where bacteria uses hydrogen sulfide gas to live. Chemosynthetic bacteria then become food for small organisms and deep-sea life. This is how deep-sea life actually flourishes. Now, at hydrogen sulfide vents near mid-ocean ridges, hydrogen sulfide eating bacteria rather than sunlight using phytoplankton are the basis of the food chain in these deep sea areas. Now, dissolved oxygen is most abundant near the ocean surface and decreases with depth, with the concentration of carbon dioxide higher near the ocean floor. Now, most ocean life is found in the mixed layer near the surface, but there is life in the deep sea areas, and they have their source of food are areas like these deep sea vents or black smokers. So let's review really quick. Section 1 had oceanography, the beginnings of oceanography, modern ocean research. Then section number 2, properties of water, density of water, polarity of water, solutions of water. Properties of oceanic water was section 3, salinity, the composition of seawater, variations in salinity, temperature profile of the ocean, talked about the surface, the middle zone, and the deep water. That mixed layer was the surface. And then oceanic life, photosynthesis in the oceans, that's where most life happens, is in the mixed layer, marine animal life, and deep sea ocean life. Alright, that's it for chapter 22.